What is going on, guys? This is my 2006 Acura RSX, and for the past 3 to 4 years, it's been my daily driver. Now, this car has almost 300,000 miles on it, and it's in pretty rough shape. But today, we're going to be doing some much-needed mods. I have a couple things over there that we're going to be installing on this car. But first, we're going to start off with a wash, because this thing desperately needs a wash. Squirt us a little bit of chemical guys up in there. Now that the car's all washed and cleaned up the best that it can be, we can finally get on to the fun stuff, which is going to be installing some new wheels and a couple other things in the front end. Now, the first thing that we're going to be handling is my front bumper. Obviously, I've hit a few things and the bumper supports are broken. The bumper is actually a little bit cracked right there. So I did what any other good Honda guy would do and went on Amazon and got some quick release bumper supports. Now, obviously, we're going to have to be drilling holes in here. It's a little sketchy on the fender. All right, now that we have our holes drilled, I just want to go ahead and get them drilled before we actually start pulling off the front bumper, because I figured it'd be easier to kind of measure and whatnot whenever it's like that. So now we're gonna start on removing the front bumper. Oh yeah, I forgot it's a Honda. We can do this. Oh yeah, we're doing some manual labor today. No air tools. Oh, can't forget about safety. Oh, get those the hell out of here. Oh, damn. All right, so wheels are off. Car's jacked up in the air. I believe we're gonna start removing some of these clips up here. Look, looks like the front's already loose. Next, I say we climb up under the vehicle. And I'm gonna be honest, I think there are definitely some push pins here. They are no longer here. Now, apparently we're gonna be removing an 8mm to get this little thing off. I think it's somewhere up in there. I don't know, let me see. There it is. Come around. And well, I don't think I even have to remove that. Oh, look, hey, look, there it is. Hold on. All right, got it. I think the front bumper is ready to come off now. So I'm just gonna start. Oh, this is so easy. What the heck? Oh, it's a lot easier too whenever you don't really care about the car. You can just kind of, hey, what's holding it on over here? I wonder if this is gonna make the RSX purists mad. Like, just look at the bumper just sitting there rubbing the ground. That's pretty funny. Got those annoying little bolts down there done. Now, should just kind of, oh, look at that. Did I mess up my bumper? Did I scratch it? My gosh, guys, can y'all see that? Look at this. Is that a rock? Dude, there's a rock legit wedged. I'm not pulling that out. Moving on. We're gonna start removing these headlights. There's not even a bolt there. Look at that. Okay, this car is super easy to work on. Now we need to remove all of these connectors. All right, so we got both of our old lights here out. Obviously, they look like absolute crap. So I'm gonna go get the other ones. We're gonna be swapping over the bulbs and shoving them back up in there. Both headlights are now fully installed. We still have to take the little clear wrap off of this one. Dang, come on. Oh, so satisfying. Now, next up, we are going to be putting in some fog lights. Whoa! And as you can see, that's what they look like. Bam! Look how easy. While the bumper is off, we're also going to be putting these on. Up and at 'em. Let's do this. Oh my God. Dude, it looks so much better. Our little rubber bands. And hopefully I sort of measured correctly. And they go on. Oh my gosh. I'm so good. I'm just too good, guys. I'm too good. Ugh. Now I haven't really given y'all too good of a look at the wheels that I got so far. So these are the ones that I got. They're the Avid One AV20s, and I think they're gonna look great on this car. I hope so. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into it and get these bad boy wheels put on. Please fit, please fit. Hoo-hoo, man. Oh yeah, they fit. This car looks so good now. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of it. Good job, buddy. Last wheel going on. Ooh, my girl looking way better now. Oh my gosh. Last but not least, our little hubcaps. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. All right, now I'm gonna hop inside here and we're gonna just kind of drive it just a little bit just to make sure that nothing scrubs. Just so you guys believe me, look, it literally has, dang, focus, 290,000 miles. Let's see. Full lock. No scrubbing. Full lock. No scrubbing. Hell yes. Man, I just can't get over it. It's just unbelievable how insane just some wheels, headlights, and fog lights can change a car. This thing actually looks good. Dang, so should we do like interior mods also? Should we just start a whole thing while we're also modding the Corvette, obviously? Should we just mod the RSX as well? Because this thing looking like this is kind of making me want to do some more stuff to it. You know, maybe like for real, a turbo, an engine and trans in the future. Like that would just be awesome. This thing just cleaned up so good. It's insane. Oh my gosh. Dang, guys. I'm honestly speechless. And those wheels look so good. Look at the back. Oh my God. That's awesome. Well guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see some more RSX content on this channel, as well as the Corvette, obviously, we can just kind of, you know, go back and forth on videos or whatever. Leave a like and comment what you want us to do next on this car. I'm just super, super happy with how all this turned out. That is freaking neat. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.